there's a quiet fear that many people never admit. Fear of being a failure. When something in life breaks, a plan, a dream, a relationship, an attempt, we think, maybe I'm just not capable. But we forget that even a broken bridge can be rebuilt, stronger than before. Today's story is for anyone who feels like they've failed or fallen behind. Listen carefully, because this story might just rebuild your confidence. In a calm riverside village lived a boy named Elon. He was hardworking, sincere, and kind-hearted. But deep inside, he had a painful belief. He felt like everything he touched eventually broke. When he tried painting, the mess set it up. When he tried sports, he failed. Even when he helped others with simple tasks, he would whisper to himself, "I ruin things. I'm not good at anything." Each mistake felt like another broken piece of his heart. One day, a wise carpenter named Eldajora came to the village. He was famous for repairing things that no one else could fix. Elon approached him and said, "Elder, everything I try ends up broken. Maybe I'm just not meant to succeed." The old man smiled gently and replied, "Meet me tomorrow at the old river bridge. I want to show you something important." The next morning, Elon arrived. The old bridge was cracked, leaning, and completely falling apart. Eldajora pointed at it. "Elon, do you think this bridge is useless?" Elon sighed. "Yes, it's broken." The old man chuckled softly. "Come closer." When they walked under the bridge, Elon noticed something surprising. Young plants were growing in the cracks, tiny flowers were blooming, and birds had built nests in the hollow spaces. He stared in awe. How can something broken create so much life? Eldajora placed a hand on the railing. Because being broken doesn't make something worthless. It makes it useful in a different way. He continued, "This bridge may not carry people now, but it gives shelter to birds, support to plants, and beauty to the river." Elon felt his heart soften. Then the carpenter said something Elon would never forget. Things break so they can be rebuilt stronger. People break so they can grow wiser. He placed a toolkit in Elon's hands. "Let's rebuild it, one plank at a time." At first, Elon made mistakes. He placed wood wrong, measured incorrectly, and dropped his tools. But Eldajora smiled every single time and said, "You're learning. Keep going." Day by day, step by step, Elon rebuilt the bridge stronger, straighter, and better than before. One evening, when the last plank was set, the entire village gathered to see it. "Every on-site Elon has built the strongest bridge we've ever had." Tears filled Elon's eyes. It was the first time he felt proud of himself. If this story resonated with you, consider subscribing for more.